Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. Apple has done it again. Every year, millions of Americans rush to get the latest iPhone, hoping for bigger, faster, and smarter updates. And while Apple usually announces the main features of their devices, there's always something hidden that only a few users discover. And the iPhone 2026 is no exception. Today, we're diving deep into Apple's secret iPhone feature for 2026 that no one is talking about. If you think you know everything about your iPhone, think again. This hidden feature is set to change how you use your device daily, and it's already creating buzz among tech insiders. This year, Apple has focused heavily on making the iPhone smarter, more intuitive, and faster than ever before. While most people are excited about the upgraded camera, faster A-series processor, and longer battery life, Apple quietly added a feature that blends AI, privacy, and customization in a way that feels futuristic, yet surprisingly practical. This hidden function is not only designed to improve your daily interactions with your iPhone, but also makes your device feel more personalized than ever. So, what exactly is this secret iPhone 2026 feature? At its core, Apple has introduced adaptive AI shortcuts. Unlike standard shortcuts that require manual setup, these AI-powered shortcuts learn from your usage patterns and suggest actions before you even ask. Imagine your iPhone automatically opening your favorite playlist when you start your morning run, suggesting your most used apps during work hours, or even adjusting settings like brightness and volume based on your location and habits. It's like having a personal assistant who knows you better than you know yourself. But the real magic isn't just convenience. It's privacy-focused smart automation. Apple has made sure that all of this AI processing happens on-device, meaning your personal habits and patterns never leave your iPhone. No data is sent to the cloud unless you explicitly allow it, keeping your information safe and secure. This is a huge win for users who are concerned about privacy but still want cutting-edge technology to enhance their daily life. Tech experts are calling this feature a game changer for productivity and lifestyle optimization. Early testers have reported that the iPhone feels more alive and responsive, almost anticipating needs before you even realize them. Whether it's automatically dimming your screen during late-night reading, reminding you to leave for appointments based on real-time traffic, or even suggesting healthier routines, this secret feature integrates seamlessly into daily life. One of the most impressive aspects of this feature is its integration across Apple devices. If you're using an iPad, Mac, or Apple Watch alongside your iPhone, the AI shortcuts sync intelligently across all devices. That means the iPhone learns not only from your phone usage, but also from how you interact with your other Apple devices. This ecosystem-level intelligence is something Apple has been perfecting for years, and now it's finally showing in a way that feels practical and useful for everyday users. For American audiences specifically, this feature taps into trends that matter the most: efficiency, convenience, and personalization. From busy professionals looking to streamline their workday to students managing study schedules, this hidden iPhone function is versatile and immediately impactful. It's no wonder that early discussions on tech forums and social media are lighting up with excitement. People are sharing hacks, tips, and real-world experiences, making it one of the most talked-about hidden iPhone features of the year. Another aspect that makes this secret feature viral-ready is how it enhances creativity and productivity without extra apps. Users no longer need to juggle multiple third-party apps or manual settings. The iPhone's AI shortcuts do it all intelligently, saving time and simplifying tasks. For content creators, it can even suggest the best camera settings or photo editing shortcuts depending on your style of shooting. For fitness enthusiasts, it can track your activity trends and suggest adjustments in real time. The possibilities are practically endless, and this versatility is why tech bloggers are calling it one of Apple's most underrated updates ever. For those who love to stay ahead of tech trends, this secret iPhone feature is a must-try. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast, a casual user, or someone looking for smarter ways to manage life, the 2026 iPhone promises a level of convenience and intelligence that feels like science fiction. But it's real, and it's already here. And while Apple may not be advertising it heavily, users who discover and master this feature will gain a competitive edge in productivity, lifestyle efficiency, and digital creativity. In conclusion, the iPhone 2026's hidden AI-powered adaptive shortcuts are not just another gimmick. They're a subtle yet transformative addition that could redefine how Americans interact with their devices daily. By combining on-device AI, cross-device intelligence, and user-friendly automation, Apple has quietly delivered a feature that's both powerful and private. This secret iPhone feature proves that even in a world of annual upgrades and flashy announcements, sometimes the most exciting changes are the ones Apple doesn't loudly advertise. For anyone looking to stay ahead of the curve, exploring this hidden function could make your iPhone experience smoother, smarter, and more personalized than ever before. The question now isn't whether you'll upgrade to the new iPhone 2026, but whether you're ready to unlock its secret potential before everyone else does. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.